So this is the final outcome of a project. So the main project is brain tumor detection using Federated Learning. Okay. So here we used a VGG16 algorithm. So we will go with the features. This is the landing page, and here we will go with what are the features we have. So we have Federated Learning. So we taken a data set and we made a training of the data set. Okay. After that, we used a VG16 transfer learning algorithm for training of a dataset to get a model file, and which has grad cam explainability, which has highlights the exact region of the MRI. Okay, and instant prediction we are going to get performance analysis. Okay, so how it's going to work? So we are going to upload a image and it's going to make a pre-processing of the image. It's going to analyze and we will get a clinical report. So here we use a tech stack of Python, so TensorFlow, Keras, Flask for front end, OpenCV for image processing, Federated Learning, VG16 algorithm, GradCam and Scikit-learn for training. Okay. Now we will make a sign in of a user. So here we are not using any kind of database. So we are giving static login credentials only. Means everyone can access. Means everyone can open and see this. Okay. After that, here we have browse files. So we upload images. What we have into a project. So we have a data set here. So there is a two folders, and we can upload the tumor image. Run tumor prediction. So once we upload, it's going to check the file size, image validity, format or not. So everything is going to check. So it's going to analyze our image what we have uploaded and give us a prediction. So how much risk it is, moderate, high or low level, and how much RC. So it's the tumor detected in this with confidence score of 71.7%. Okay. So it's highlighting the region. Here we can see it's highlighted the region in the particular portion where the tumor is there. Okay, so clinical disclaimer, and we can do one more upload. We can upload one more image and we can make a cross check of that. So I'm going to check with this. Okay, run tumor detection. So here also it detected a tumor. See here it's highlighting the particular portion. So in which regions we have a region of interest where we will get a more accurate tumor. Okay, so here we got a 2 and we will give it one more with no. So we check with the tumor detected images. Now we are going to check with the non-tumor images. Suppose I'm going to upload this run tumor prediction. So it's going to display us whether it has tumor or not. See, no tumor detected. So risk is low risk. Okay. So next we can check with one more image. So whether we are going to get correct predictions or not, we can check here. And I'm going to upload one more random image here and run tumor detection, and we are going to get no tumor detected. Okay, so it's overall working correctly fine. The predictions are. Now we are going with the performance analysis. In this performance analysis, it's going to show how much accuracy we got while we training precision, recall and F1 scores, and training accuracy and training loss, as well as metrics overview. So it's going to display, okay, precision, recall and F1 score. So ROC cost because we did here image processing. So this is the final outcome of a project, and finally we can do a logout. Okay, so this is the final outcome of a project.